Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to start a new subject, and the subject is history. The code for the Cambridge International is 9489, right? There are certain questions and query about this subject, why I'm trying to opt this subject. There are dozens and dozens of queries I received on my channel, and people used to ask me two different questions. First of all, it's all about the subjects, and secondly about the university. So I just got an opportunity to answer both of the questions. See, first of all, important thing is that which subjects you are going to choose. This is the first thing. So importance is the subject, and secondly, when you choose the subjects, then one can say that it is important which university you are trying to shot at. For instance, you people are interested in humanities, so you can say that for humanities, Oxford is a very good university, Stanford is very good university. So there are certain universities which are famous, are considered to be top notch, are the best universities in the world for the specific subjects. For example, I'm talking about Pakistan. Lums is a very good university, but it's all about the management sciences, right? MIT in USA, Massachusetts University of Information Technology. It is one of the best universities for science subjects, not recommended for humanities. So, first of all, there are certain universities, they are best for certain subjects. I keep on saying about the humanities. The reason behind this is actually I'm the teacher of humanities. I used to teach the subjects like law, sociology, world history, theology, so these kind of subjects. So I used to teach these subjects, so obviously I recommend students, the students who are not interested in science subjects, so I recommend humanities most of the time. This is the reason behind recommending humanities. This is the first section of my video. Secondly, today I am going to start world history, as I mentioned earlier, because to my point of view, world history is very interesting, and the shortest syllabus AS level or A levels has is the world history. Today is 15th of June, and inshallah ta'ala, within a day or two, we are going to start this subject. And this is my commitment to all the my students who are present here or who used to watch my videos online, that within 45 days, I will complete the syllabus of world history only in 45 lectures. So it's, you can simply imagine how easy it is going to be. So one can say that with all the you can say holidays, including all the holidays, one can say that in September, inshallah ta'ala, we will be able to wrap up the whole history syllabus. So this is one of the easiest. As I mentioned earlier, it's the A level subject. So confirm, I can say that it has 4 papers. The pattern of the paper is, you can say, the first paper and the third paper has the same pattern, and the second paper and the fourth paper has the same pattern. One more important thing which most of the people missed while opting a subject is the availability of the subject in October November examination or April-May examination. We got 2 opportunities in a year. We can appear in A levels or in O levels. We got 2 opportunities. First opportunity April in May, and second opportunity in October November. So there are so many subjects which are opted only for April and May. You people are not able to appear in those subjects in October and November. But still, world history is a kind of subject we can appear not only in April, May, but at the same time we can appear in October and November as well. So the very first thing about the code, it is important to understand or learn 9489, the first thing. Second thing is, as it is the A-level subject, it has 4 papers, very easy. And to my definition of teacher is the person who can simply channelize your energy. This is important factor for a good teacher. So I don't need to waste your time. I need to channelize. I need to teach you in such a way that thing will be far more easier for you. So the very first thing is, I'm talking about the paper 1. In paper 1, you got 3 options. In paper 1, you got 3 options, and the options are like a European option. First thing is, it's a European option. Second option we people have, it's the international option. In international option we have a specific period of time like 1870 to 1914, right? This is the second option we have, right? And the third option is, you can say, American option. It's the history of America, and the duration is 1820 to 1941. So basically in paper 1 we got three options. First option is the European option, second is American option, and third is international option. We are bound is this contest. I mean, we don't need to study the whole three options. Why? Because in paper 1 we are opting for one option, and I'm going to teach you the international option. In international option we have international history 1870 to 1945. We are opting this. I'm going to teach you in option third, the international option, right? And it is a clever move or a sharp move. You know why? Because if we opt option third, the international option, we will be able to solve the paper 2 as well. Because in paper 2 again we got three options, and in paper 2 again we will opt for international history. Is it clear? So if we are interested in international history, we will be able to clear two papers of AS levels. You know, you people have an idea about that. AS level consists of two papers. If you clear the first two papers, it means you have cleared your AS levels. So just to make sure that you will clear your first two papers are clearing your AS levels, one can say that only international history is required to be done, right? And in international history there are certain things. For instance, it's scramble for Africa, how China becomes superpower, how Japan becomes superpower, how USA becomes superpower, and there are certain issues then in regard to the studies of detailed history of China, Japan, then Germany, Italy. So I mean, we got 5 to 6 topics. We need to learn all those topics in detail just to fulfill our requirement of AS level, our first two papers. Is it clear? Right. And third and the fourth papers, I mean, we have to, again, we got so many options. For instance, in paper 3 we got three options: the origin of the First World War, then we got topic 2, the Holocaust, and third, the origin and the development of the Cold War. Again, in paper 3 we got three options. We need to opt just one, and our choice will be Holocaust. You know why we are choosing Holocaust? Because it has a link with Hitler, and it is connected to paper 4. Again, as I mentioned earlier, it's all about how smart you people are, how you pick your paper, pick your choices which are linked with the other paper. So first two papers are, it's all about the international history, very easy. Third and fourth paper, it will be easier for you if you opt Holocaust, because Holocaust is all about Hitler, the domestic policies of Hitler, right? So you people are able to understand the how Hitler coped with Jews or minorities, how he simply extend his power within Germany. So it's all about Holocaust, and it will be helpful for you in paper 4. In paper 4 we got again three options. First is European option. In European option you got four things. Listen, it's very interesting, and see how easy the things are. In paper 4 we got three options. Paper 4 got three options. First option is European option, depth studies. In depth studies we got four options: Mussolini, Stalin's of Russia, Hitler's Germany, and Britain. We got four options. See, in paper 4 we got three main options like European option, American option, and international option. We are going to skip two options. We are not interested in American option. We are not interested in international option. In deep studies we are opting European option. In European option we got four things. We are skipping two options. No more interest in American option, no interest in international option. We are choosing just one option in paper 4. Which one? European option. And again in European option we got four things: Mussolini of Italy, Germans, Hitler, Stalin, Russia, and Britain. Again we got option in this. We are supposed to work on two things. Either we can take any two. We can take Stalin and Hitler. We can take, for instance, Hitler and Mussolini. So see how many options we people have while we are opting world history. Very interesting. On daily basis I try my level best to make videos, and inshallah I will start making videos on 19th of June. And you can simply say maximum lectures will be 30 to 40 maximum, right? So it will be far more easier for you. Anything, any question, any query in reference to world history, I'm ready to answer right now. You have any problem, any issues, you can ask me. It's very easy, right? And from Monday we are going to start from third paper, Holocaust, because it's a challenge to all my viewers. Then within a week I'm going to wrap up the whole third paper, the Holocaust. Only in 5 to 6 lectures you will be able to not only understand, you will be able to deliver any past paper after learning 5 to 6 days. So we are going to start our first paper, Holocaust, from Monday. What will be the date? It's 19th of June, inshallah. Till then, take great care of yourself, Khuda Hafiz, and fi amanullah. Anything regarding to subjects, humanities, I would love to answer all the questions. Take care.